Here I've got Tecno Camon C8, and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down a bit, and you will notice battery saver and ultra power saver. So let's start with the first one, battery saver. And here you can simply activate low power solution by tapping on this switcher. And that's it. As you can see now, we are in battery saving mode, and if you would like to switch it off, simply tap on the same icon one more time. Then if you would like to set some rule, if you would like to schedule battery saver, simply click on turn on automatically. And now select the percentage on which your battery saving mode should be automatically activated. Let me pick, for example, 15%. And that would be all. From now on, every time the battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode is automatically activated. Let's go back. And for some extreme situation, you can activate ultra power mode, simply click on it. And if you truly want to activate it, click on turn on. Just remember that you will have access only to call and SMS. Click on turn on and confirm that you would like to activate this feature. That's it, and now you are in ultra power saving mode, so your device will last definitely longer than if you would like to switch it off. Simply tap on this switcher located in the right upper corner and confirm that you would like to disable ultra lower power mode. Click on OK. And that's it. As you can see now, we are back in the standard mode. Then, if you would like to have a quick access to battery saving mode, simply slide down the upper bar and locate battery saver icon, so you can switch it off and on simply by tapping. So this is a very quick access to battery saving mode through the upper bar. And that would be all. This is how you can activate power saving mode in your Tecno. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.